Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to look at types of income. We're going to do a brief overview of four of the most common types of income: wages, salary, commission, and piecework. So let's get started. First thing here, wages. So this is where you're paid at an hourly rate. Overtime is usually time and a half for working over 40 hours per week. So little example here, Jeff is paid $23 per hour. He worked 46 hours this week. What was his gross pay? So first we'll divide it up into regular pay and overtime. Regular pay is $23 for 40 hours, which gives $9.20 like that. And then overtime, we have $23 times 1.5, right? Overtime is time and a half. And he worked 6 hours of overtime, which gives $207. And so his gross pay was $9.20 plus $207, giving $11.27. Okay, salary. So this is where your pay is usually determined on a monthly or yearly basis. Yearly basis is probably the most popular. Jill has an annual salary, in this example, of $52,550, where she is paid every 2 weeks. What is her gross pay every 2 weeks? So we know that there's 52 weeks a year, and so if she's getting paid every 2 weeks, that means there's 26 payments, right? 52 divided by 2 giving 26. So the yearly amount divided by 26 gives $2,021.15, and so that is her gross pay every 2 weeks. Okay, commission. So this is where your income is determined by how many sales you make. Sometimes it's entirely depending on the amount of sales you make. Sometimes you're paid a certain amount plus commission. And so in this example 3 here, Joey's paid $450 a week plus 4% of all sales that he makes. So if Joey sold $4,311 that week, what was his gross pay? So it's 4% of sales, so 4% times 4,311 gives 172.44. And so his gross pay is 450 plus 172, which gives 622.44. Okay, and the last here is piecework. This is where your income is determined by how many pieces you produce. So example 4, Jessica is paid 8 cents for every button that she sews onto pants. She can sew 210 buttons on average per hour. If she works 40 hours a week, what is her gross pay per week? So we see here 8 cents per button times 210 buttons per hour gives us $16.80 per hour. And this 16.8 is times 40 hours per week, giving us $672 per week. And so her gross pay is $672 per week. And that's it. Is that it? I'll see you guys in the next video.